guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Aarati. In today's video, I'd be sharing with you guys my top 5 red lipsticks for Indian or brown skin tone. And these are all the lipsticks that I have and I bought like over a period of time. And the reason I'm sharing this video today is the December 24th. It's Christmas Eve and I really love getting ready for Christmas in a red lip. That is why I have this bold lip today. I don't usually go for reds, but this is the season, so that's why I'm sharing all of my red lipsticks and all of the lipsticks that I feel that might suit for our Indian skin tone. And let's get on with the video. So all of these lipsticks that I have right here are lipsticks that are on an affordable budget. I do not have any high-end lipsticks because I feel like high-end lipsticks, lipsticks, I feel like we can go about with even 100 rupees lipsticks. I do have lipsticks for below 100 rupees as well. So without any further ado, let's get started with the video. So the first category of lipsticks that I have is actually bullet lipsticks. Now I am not a person who loves having a lot of bullet lipsticks because I don't like the reapplication process. I want to like put on my lipstick and forget about it. So that's why I don't use them on a daily basis. But however, I do know there are a lot of people who love having bullet lipstick because the normal liquid lipsticks might dry out your lips or your preference. So I do have 2 lipstick recommendations for bullet proofs. So the first thing that I have is actually from Xoxo. This is their 1+1 Hydro Glossy lipsticks. Now this is a beautiful red. Like look at how yummy this red is. And I'm really scared to actually wear these kind of reds. I will swatch it right here. I do have some swatches. But yeah, can you guys see how beautiful and pigmented it is? Now this is more of a corally toned red. So I feel like we can wear this on a daily basis or even on the morning time. It will be really pretty, I feel. This is how it looks like. It's a beautiful, beautiful shade. The second bullet lipstick that I have is actually from Maybelline. I think I have I think there's another Maybelline product, but these are the only 2 products that I have from Maybelline in this entire video. This is the Maybelline X Gigi Hadid collection. This is in the shade Austin. Oh, also this Xoxo one is in the shade 02 Rose. But this, oh my god, you guys, I'm gonna swatch the Maybelline one right above it so that you guys can see the difference. Can you guys see the difference between these two? I feel like this Maybelline one has much more pinky undertones and it is so supremely pigmented. I love, and I don't think talking about Maybelline and pigmentation is completely different. They know how to make their own lipsticks and I love this. This is super creamy. This is buttery. I really like it. I've actually used quite a bit of it, but I'm not a person that likes a lot of bullet lipsticks, so I tend to go for liquid lipsticks a lot. So the next lipsticks that we have are actually pencil format lipsticks. Now these are those lipstick pencils. I love these because they give a lot more precision to kind of line your lips as well, because they're in a form of a pencil and like a stick. So the first product that I have, like the first brand that I have, is actually K by Katrina. Now this is in the shade Publicity. I love this shade. I'm gonna just swatch it right. I'm gonna try swatching all of my lipsticks in one go so that you guys can actually see. Now this is how it looks like. I feel like this has like the pretty red. It's like I want to say this does not have any coral tones, but it's a very beautiful red, like in your face kind of a red, and I feel like this is really, really good. The only difference is I'm not a person who likes these reds a lot, but I feel like on a Christmas morning or any time, like just applying it and if you're ready, it looks beautiful. I love the shade, but I don't tend to use reds on a daily basis, so reaching out for this will be much more difficult. But however, I do have this on my lips right now, but I have little I think 2 to 3 colors mixed in. But that is a beautiful shade. Now this is Publicity from K by Katrina again. Also, I will leave all the links in the description box so that you guys can go and check it out. The next shade is also from K by Katrina. Now this is their Spotlight. Now this is more on their maroon tone. Like it is much more deeper. It is much more on a pinkier side. It is super pretty. I love how beautiful this looks like. This is the exact shade that I have mixed in with these two. So I have Publicity and Spotlight, both of them on my lips. I do have another liquid lipstick that I will be sharing. I really like the K by Katrina lipsticks. I don't know whether they are matte and non-transfer proof, but I do know that they last for a really long time. So I like that. And once you put them on your lips, you do not feel them. So that is something I really like. Now, the last pencil kind of a format that I have is from Maybelline. This is their lip gradation. Oh my god, I love this. Like when I bought this, I remember I used to use this every single day. So this is how it looks like. It is much similar to the Spotlight from K by Katrina, but it is much more pigmented and it is matte and it dries down super dark and very. I feel like this and the K by Katrina's is much more similar, but the K by Katrina's is on a deeper side. This one is much more light. This is in the shade Red 2. I remember when this came out, I used to wear this every single day. And I love it so much. This is a beautiful red. It does have pink undertones to it, but it is a very light pink. It's not very pigmented, but I love how beautiful it stains the lip as well. The next couple of things that we have is my favorite section, and that is my liquid lipsticks. Oh my god, I love these lipsticks so much. So let's get started. The first liquid lipstick that I have is I have two lipsticks, and these are from Blue Heaven. Trust me, you guys, try Blue Heaven. You will love these. I have two reds from them. One is in the shade 03 and the other one is in the shade 10. These are beautiful. This is from their Elegance Matte Lip color. I love how beautiful they look. They have a beautiful, like, oh my god, I can't even tell you. Can you guys see how pigmented this is? I love this, and these don't even look like a 95 rupees lipstick. When I bought them, they were for 95 rupees, but these are so beautiful. They're pigmented and I love how they dry down. They dry down matte and it does not even look cakey, or you know, it does not look very dry and chappy. I love how they look. And that was 03. I'm gonna swatch 10 as well. But I love these lipsticks. They have beautiful pigmentation. Oh my god, look at this. Now this is very pigmented. So when you're, if you have a problem of bleeding through your lips, I would suggest you have to go ahead and line your lips. This is much more on the cherry tone red, but it's beautiful, you guys. I love these two shades. Blue Heaven, actually, I've been surprised by the way when I got these. When I bought the lipsticks and I checked them out, I'm like, oh my god, they're beautiful. Another lipstick that I have is actually from Swiss Beauty. This is their Matte Lip Ultra Smooth Matte Liquid Lipstick. I really like this as well. This is much more on a muted tone. So this is much more on a muted tone, and I feel like this is sober. You can wear it on a daily basis, and it is on a lighter note. So it does have, so if you are deeper than my skin tone, I feel like this might wash you out a little, but I really like this. All of these are below 100 rupees, you guys. The next lipstick, however, is on a little expensive side, but this is the L'Oreal Paris. This is the Rouge Signature, and this is in the shade, I am blind. Yeah, sorry, this is in the shade 137 red. This is a beautiful shade. But the thing is, I don't think that this is a liquid lipstick, because it looks much more like, yeah, can you see? It's much more like a tint. It does not give a lot of coverage, but it looks beautiful. It is on a coral red sort of a shade. I really like this. However, I don't like the, it does not have the opacity to give a full shade. It has sheer coverage, but I love the tip. Like, the tip is super pretty. It has this weird, L-shaped angle sort of a thing, wherein, it has this weird tip angle wherein you can line your lips properly, and you can give that shape to your lips. I really like it. But I do feel like this is sheer coverage. It has to have much more coverage, but this is really good. And the last lipstick I have is actually not a lipstick, but it is an eye and a lip topper sort of a thing. This is from Nykaa. This is their Single Ladies. Oh my god, I love this. This has a little bit of shimmer in it. Actually, it is an eye topper, but that is what I like to use. This is how it looks like. This is much more on a maroon tone. It's super pretty. I love how beautiful this looks like. I like using this on my eyes as well as on my lips because this is really good. It kind of gives that monochromatic look, and I love how beautifully my hand looks, and I wore a white shirt, so removing this will be much fun. Those are all for my lipstick part of it. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. However, in the tint part, I just have one tint to talk to you guys. This is the Etude House, the Dear Darling tint. Oh my god, you guys, this is so beautiful. It's a very sheer, yeah, it's right here. Okay, I don't have the space to actually swatch, but this is the tint. It's super pretty. It's very light. It smells like a watermelon, and I feel like if you're somebody who does not like putting up a lot of lipstick, because I have cousins who don't like putting a lot of lipstick, I feel like tints work really good because they kind of give the little color. At the same time, they give a lot of moisturization as well. So yeah, I hope you guys really enjoy this, and you might like one or two and try having a red bold lip for this Christmas. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, go ahead, hit the like button, you guys, and subscribe to my channel. It will mean a lot to me, help me